Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and I'll show you how to activate Quick Launch on this device. So now just by double press the power key button, we can see that we can also unlock the device. And if you want to activate Quick Launch, for example, to use the camera application by double press the power key, we should first open the settings application and then scroll down to the system section. After that, tap here to the gestures and now click here to double press power key and select launch camera. Now just let's press twice the power key button and we can see that the camera application successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.